Okay, so hello judges. Myself Aditya Gupta, computer science final year student at VIT Bhopal University, and this is my submission video for my task one, which was Ethereum Validator Consolidation Monitor. So, like this service, what it does is like it continuously monitors the Ethereum beacon chain for validator consolidation requests. So, like as introduced by EIP 7251, it tracks consolidation activity, queue status, and exposes a REST API. Oh, and it have Prometheus metrics API also and a Grafana dashboard for real-time observability. Let's quickly go through this. So, like for the beacon-based URL, I have used Lodestar mainnet chain info, chain safe and IO API. I have my database as NeonDB, in which I am using PostgreSQL. I have my Grafana dashboard, which I can directly import on the Grafana cloud. I have my Prisma migration on schemas to create the schemas right there. I have my Prometheus locally set up. I have my beacon deep and my source. This is the main thing. And what it does is like let's get directly switch to the working. Just a second. So like as you can see, I have deployed it on completely on Azure. This is completely deployed on Azure, and on Azure, two things are working: this backend and the local Prometheus server to expose the metrics to Grafana Cloud to connect to Grafana Cloud. So let's, as you can see, this is my base URL on port 3000. We can have all these things. So let's directly just a second. Ah, let's do curl. This was our base API. If I hit my health endpoint, it will return me a JSON. See, you have hit admiration status degraded, beacon connected true, database connected true, last process this. As you can see, yes, it is working fine. Then we have our another API. As you can see, we can have our metrics API also. I don't metrics. Sorry. Okay, metrics API is on another port 9464. See, the whole metrics which later on will be defined on the Grafana cloud, will be exported to Grafana cloud, is it's there, and you can test all the endpoints. All the endpoints are exposed via REST. We have our Swagger docs also. Then we can have our Swagger dashboard, the main feature of all this. And this thing had all things like consolidation, count, queue stats, API health, and block lag. So let's get directly to our GitHub. So this is the main repo I have made, and here you can find the Grafana dashboard link. Let's go to the dashboard. This, as you can see, the dashboard, the consolidation, we have graph for consolidation queue, beacon API success, consolidations per hour. Then we have our block lag. Then we have our API failures. And as mentioned in the task, I had the this alerting condition set up on my Grafana cloud itself. It just pushes alerts when threshold is reached. Directly it sends me email right here only. See sir, firing one block Grafana cloud Prometheus. I have got this alert because it has reached the threshold. Reached the threshold or exceeded the threshold. This is the whole Grafana dashboard you can see right here itself. The live Grafana dashboard. You can here see real-time graphs. I have mapped everything right as per the requirements, and this dashboard automatically updates, and I can show you my that also. Just a second. I have deployed it on Azure. Just a second. Net Luga nodes. Just a second. Connect. I have my SSH right there, and let's directly go to. Let's directly get there itself and CLS. Then curl. I can have SSH, and I will put on my 6205. And here's my SSH. As you can see here, I have a list. I have my Prometheus setup here itself. I can show you PM2 list. Two things are running on my server. First is the Prometheus local server, which is exposing to the Grafana cloud. I have set up the data point like that, and my backend which I shown you on my local laptop is there itself. And for Grafana, if we go right to Grafana dashboards, I can show you that also. I have my data sources set up, and this is my Prometheus setup right here. And data sources, you can see its data sources this, which is exposed by my this thing Prometheus from my Azure. So yes, this is how it works. Let's quickly summarize this. So this solution is production ready, cloud and cloud deployed, and fully observable. And like this, thank you for watching, and I hope you liked my way of presenting and way of working on this task. Thank you.